Amenify OS is transforming service management for property managers and real estate owners. Think about it. What if all your tools were in one place? No more jumping from app to app. That's what Amenify OS brings. A single, easy-to-use dashboard to keep everything under control. Service providers love the Provider and Pro apps. Why? Because scheduling appointments is as easy as a few taps on their phone. No more last-minute chaos, no more mix-ups, just smooth, efficient service delivery. Now, here's where it gets really smart. The AI-powered routing engine, it optimizes every route in real time, cutting down on travel time and making sure your team gets to appointments faster. More efficiency, less stress. Pricing is a big deal, right? Amenify's dynamic pricing adjusts based on market demand, so service providers can stay competitive and keep their margins healthy. And when it comes to quality, Amenify has you covered. Every service provider goes through a thorough background check and continuous training, so you get professionals who know their stuff every time. Managing schedules? No problem. Amenify OS prevents double bookings and missed appointments, keeping your day running like clockwork. Payments? Seamless. No more chasing invoices, everything is handled through the platform. Easy for you, easy for your service providers. And let's not forget customer feedback. With built-in ratings and reviews, service providers get instant insights to improve their offerings and keep tenants happy. You also get access to powerful analytics that let you track performance, spot trends, and make smarter decisions. Best part? Amenify OS integrates effortlessly with your current property management software. It's plug and play, no hassle. If you're ready to streamline service management and improve tenant satisfaction, Amenify OS is the solution you've been waiting for. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.